Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Google Sheets for deal tracking and rent roll imports step by step clearly. To activate Google Sheets for deal tracking and rent roll imports, first, open your web browser. Navigate to the Google Sheets homepage by searching for it or entering the URL directly. Once on the homepage, click on the blank button to create a new spreadsheet. Label your spreadsheet by clicking on Untitled Spreadsheet in the top left corner. Enter a descriptive title, such as deal tracking or rent roll. Next, familiarize yourself with the Google Sheets interface. Locate the menu options at the top of the page. Click on File to explore options related to your spreadsheet. To import data, select Import from the menu. A dialog will appear, prompting you to choose the file you want to import. Select either Upload, My Drive, or Shared with Me depending on where your file is located. If you're uploading a file, click on Upload and drag your file into the designated area or click Select a file from your device. Once your file is uploaded, you'll see options for how to import it. Choose to replace the current sheet, insert a new sheet, or replace data starting at a specific cell. After selecting your preferred option, click Import Data. Wait for the data to load into your spreadsheet. Now, organize your data for tracking deals or rent rolls. Create columns for key metrics like property name, address, rent amount, and status. Use headers at the top of each column for clarity. To enhance data management, apply filters by selecting your header row and clicking on This will allow you to sort and analyze your information easily. Next, consider setting up conditional formatting to highlight important data. Select the range you want to format and click on Format, then Conditional Formatting. Choose a rule to establish how you want specific data points to be visually represented. After configuring your formatting rules, click Done to apply the changes. To share your spreadsheet with others, click on the Share button in the top right corner. Enter the email addresses of those you want to share with, and adjust their access permissions. Finally, click Send to share your Google Sheets file. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.